Hey guys, what is up? This is Fleur Tutorials here, and I got another video for you guys today. 6 months later, don't worry, I got you guys covered. 2 videos a year, don't worry. So today I'll be teaching you how you can get Office 365 minimally installed. So what I mean by that is when you try downloading Office 365 from anywhere, it'll install everything that comes with that suite. And for a lot of people, you don't need like the Skype, they don't want the OneDrive, they don't want all the other stuff that comes with it. So there's actually a way um, that you can actually install Office 365 directly from Microsoft without having to install all the other stuff that you don't need. So this was actually provided by Microsoft themselves, but it's not. It's more for like corporate use. But I'll give you guys a look at what I mean. So I'll have this all zipped up in the description and in a RAR file, and I'll link that will link you to Mega. You can download this. So essentially, what it does is when you first start, you won't have this Office folder because it's not. That's where the actual data is for Office. So that's where it installs it from. So you'll have these three. This will also obviously have an activator for it. So after you're done installing, it's gonna let you activate it for free. We'll go through that in a second. This also has a Windows activator in it. This is by far the best one I found. Has both Windows and Office activator, and it activates even the enterprise version of Windows, which I use now because of privacy and other stuff. But we'll get back into that in a later video. I'll probably make another video just for how to activate Windows with this as well. It's very simple. So, anyways, back to what I was talking about of Office. So you will have these four, this one folder and these three files. What you need to do is essentially when you have it downloaded, extract it, open the folder. So you would right now I have it configured to only installing Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and Access. That for the most part is all I need. Um, but if you need anything else, you can actually open this XML configuration file and add whatever else you want. So they have kind of weird names. This is the main part that we're looking at over here. So they have kind of strange names like Groove, Link, OneDrive. You know what OneDrive is. You know what OneNote is. Outlook, Publisher, Teams. So if there's anything you don't need, you would just type this right here. You could copy this. So we copy it. All right, I guess I should yeah, copy that and add another line here. You're also gonna need to add this break as well. I'm not sure actually if you even need to add that, but if you have, you just don't have to have the last one with it. But anyways, you would just add like, oh, I also don't want Word, so I believe the term is Word, and it won't install Word either. But for now, it has access, like it's an Access Word, PowerPoint, and Excel that it's automatically going to get installed, and all these other things are not going to get installed. So Groove, I believe this. You know what? I'm not quite sure what this is, but it is something that won't be installed that you don't need. You can probably Google it and figure out what it is. Link is actually Skype for Business, from if I recall correctly. So it doesn't install the Skype for Business that comes with the suite. OneDrive, y'all know what that is. OneNote, if you need it, you don't need it. It's right here. You can get rid of this line if you need it. Um, or Outlook, Publisher, Teams, etc. So again, it has only the four applications that I mentioned, and you can just configure this however you'd like, and it will install Office with the programs that you have chosen. So after that's done, you can, after you've configured it, or if you like how it is right now, all you do is run this bat file that I have created here. It just essentially it runs the setup.exe with the configuration file, the config.xml. So if I run this here, it's gonna go through the prompt where you have to run through admin, and you'll see all the icons of what is being installed. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this because I don't want two versions to be installed, and it looks like it's installing anyway, so I'm gonna have to uninstall it. But that's fine, whatever. So it's installing all four of those applications only and nothing else. So this makes it a lot like really useful for people. Sorry, excuse me, for people that don't want to install everything that the suite offers, like me, I like to keep my installs minimal and only take what I want, and not, waste space on my hard drive when it's unnecessary. So as you can see, I get a weird notification. I don't know why the title of it is so strange, saying it's done, but I still see the icon here. And there you go. Super quick. Of course, it depends on your download speeds and everything. And also, I already have like this folder which actually has all the data for Office in here. That's why I guess I didn't even download it; just straight installed it. So, and then I already have mine activated through my school. Um, I don't need it activated here. But this is it right here. I already got it all activated. But if you don't have yours activated, so I can, okay, that's not good. I'll blank that out. That's not a problem. So I'm just gonna sign out here. Sign out of my. Oh my god, it's just signed into all my freaking Microsoft accounts. Okay. Oh, cool. It turns black too. So it's saying it won't be activated uh, right from the start. So what you need to do is actually just go ahead and into this Windows and Office Activator, click on all-in-one version, and run this. It's gonna give you the command or the admin prompt again. You're gonna have to go through that. And so there's so this top one here is for Windows activation, which we'll do at another date. And this bottom one is for the Windows and Office activation. I think it activates them both. So you can just press 4. I don't want to do that because I don't want to activate mine with like a unofficially. I have an official license for Office, so I don't want to do that. But you would just simply press 4 and it's going to go through everything and it'll activate it. And all you got to do is reboot your computer. You might not even need to reboot your computer. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys actually anyways, just so we can cover everything in this video. So if we press 4 here, it's going to say activate Windows Server or Office, create activation renewal setup or complete uninstall. I guess that's the uninstall of the activation. So we usually press 1 and then it's going to extract the files and whatever, and then it's going to activate your Office. So let's check here. Give it a second here. It looks like it's converting the version of Office to a different version so that we can um, have it activated. As you can see, my Enterprise N edition of Windows is also permanently activated. This is the only activator that's this simple that seems to be able to activate Enterprise. So I highly recommend this one. So just give it a moment here and it should activate the Office suite. As you can see, activation is successful for 180 days. You do have to do this every 180 days, which is not a big deal. I mean, you just open this and press 4 and then 1 and you're good to go for another 180 days. And there you have it. So if I open up Word again here, I mean, I never said it wasn't deactivated, I guess, but just take my word for it. It's activated now. So you won't get any sort of activation issues. You can fully type, you can save, all that good stuff without having to buy a license or anything. So this was kind of like a 2-in-1 video showing you guys how you can get Office for free and also how to install it minimally so you don't have to have the bloated version. So another thing I'm just going to add here is that if you go to update and security on Windows here, you can actually go to advanced options, and over here you can receive updates for other Microsoft products when you update Windows. I'd like to have this on because this will allow Office to also get updated, and this activator that I use, from my experience, it works on the latest version of Office, so you don't have to worry about Office updating and then it's not the activator not working anymore. So I would just leave this on, make sure you get all the updates for Windows and for Office as well. It's like it works great. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Um, there's not. If you got any more questions or concerns, I'll try to. I know I always say I'll reply to you. I'm trying to reply a little more often now. I replied to a few comments. Um, I know there's some of you who've been asking about the dark theme that I had on my windows. I actually got rid of it now because it was causing issues, but like it was like a full gray dark theme. Um, maybe one day I'll go through it and install it again. But for now, I don't recommend anyone uses it just because sometimes it gets broken when a new Windows update comes. So I kind of recommend just keeping it how Windows has it, their own dark theme. Just use that. But yeah, I'll stop rambling. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Flare tutorials, guys. Thanks again for the 4th time, and yeah, take care. Bye.